Question 2. Find the smallest value of integer m such that this function is always positive for all real values of x. Okay, first of all, let's look at integer. Integer means whole numbers like 2, 3, 6, 11 and so on. No fractions, no decimals, only whole number. Okay, such that this function is always positive, right? So if your y must always be positive, your graph has to be up here. If the graph is here, that means there are negative values of y. Okay, remember this one is a y-axis. Down here all negative values of y. So in this case, we got negative value, so cannot now. So the graph has to be like this. If they said always positive, so it must be here. Right, so whenever you get a graph like this will be b square minus 4ac lesser than 0 because no real roots. If you have equal roots, it will be equal to 0. If you have two real roots, it will be more than 0. But since these are no real roots, less than 0. Okay, then we put in the values. This will be a, this will be b, this will be c. So b square minus 4ac is smaller than 0. So 7 square 15m less than 0. So 49 is less than 12m. Okay, I bring this over that side. Making m the subject, it will be 49 over 12. So m is bigger than 49 over 12. (49) divided by 12 is 4.08. Right. So here they're asking us for the smallest value of integer m. So the smallest value can be 5. Because it cannot take 4. Because here they said m must be more than 4.08. So the smallest possible value would be 5.